everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 10 of marching through my minis. I had a bunch of challenges the past few days that I was able to complete. So let's see if we can complete any today. We have $8 coming in, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have our little day 10 sticky note. So I'm going to set that there. Too cute to pinch. I don't think I've mentioned this the past couple days. This dashboard and prop coin set is from Brittany at Budgeting with the Ginger. You can get this on her Ko-fi. I know Kimmy at Kimmy's Corner has a really cute March set that you can get on her Ko-fi. So it's just a fun way to, I know I kind of like to theme it up a little bit. So I like to use the kind of matchy stuff to go with the theme. So we have our $8 we need to put in the bank. So let's do that really fast. And then if we finish anything, we'll come here and take the money out of there. So let's start with number 6. Get our dice tower prepared. And this dice tower is from Dawn Sunrise Budgeting on her Ko-fi. Her husband makes it. You can get different paint and different stain color. I absolutely love it. It looks like a little log cabin. So cute. All right, so let's get started with our D3. And whatever we roll is what number of prop coins we put down. So 3 going to number 6. 2 going to 7, 1, 2, and 3 going to 8. Nice. 2 going to 1, 1, 2, and 3 going to 2, 2 going to 3, 2 going to 4, 1, 2, and 3 going to 5, 1 and 2 going to 6, 1 and 2 going to 7, 8 is getting 3, so that's 1, 2, and 3. That leaves 1, so I'm going to put that on number 1, and we are going to start with number 2 tomorrow. All right, so let's see how we did today. Kind of scoot that guy a little bit out of the way. So today it looks like number 1 got 75 cents. Oh, and it just needed 50. This is the one from Hey K Budgets, her little zombie avocado. So we can do the last 2 boxes. And this one saved us $4. That's an awesome start for the morning. And so we need a new one. Let's do this cute little one. This is from Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. This will save us $4. And look at the little reindeer with his little hot cocoa and his scarf. Oh my gosh. All right, so let's do 1 box. So this is from Dawn Sunrise Budgeting, the person where you can get the dice tower from if you like that. And then number 2 got 75 cents. Oh, and it just needed 25. This one is from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets, formerly Printable by Woods. This adorable one saved us $3 with the little puppies on it and kitties. So let's go to extras. I definitely stocked this up. All right, so let's see. What is this one? This is Happy Birthday, Once in a Lifetime, Happy Medicare. That's funny. This is from I think this is, oh no, is this from Windmill Ridge Budgets? I don't have, did I cut it off? Okay, I'm going to say it's Susan from Windmill Ridge Budgets. So we're just going to do 2 boxes with our 50 cents going into number 2. This one will save us $6. That's a big one. And then number 3 has 75 cents. And then this one is from Ko-fi Budgeting with Bree, $14.87. So I can do 3 eggs. So 1, 2, and 3. It's Queen of the Coop. Cute. And then number 4 has 50 cents. Oh my gosh, and that's what we needed for Kimmy's Corner. So we finished this one too. So 25 and 50. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This saves us $4. And we used both of those. So we need a new one for next time. I see circles, so let's do this one. This is from Budgeting. Nope. Budget with Tiffany 26. We don't have anything to go in there, so I'm just going to shove that right into number 4. Number 5 has $1. And number 5 is from Budgeting for Me, so we can mark off 4 icons. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think all my markers are starting to dry out. It's probably all the circles I've colored. Okay, number 6. Okay, number 6 is $1.50. And we just needed 75 cents. Oh my goodness. Phoenix came running in here. He's ready to play. He brought a toy in. All right, let's see if I can get through this video. So we have 3 spots and we still have 75 that we get to put in. Nope, that goes there. We get a new one. Oh my gosh, he threw me off. Okay, so let's see. What is this one? This is from Hannah at Prop Budget. So we can do 3 little popcorns. So we can do 1, 2, and 3. This one will save us $6. Look how cute that is. Probably going to make popcorn after this. All right. And then number 7 looks like it got a $1. And this is from Maribel at Mint Dough. Let's switch up our colors. Let's do red. So we can do $1. So we can do 25, 50, 75, and $1. I think you can see that okay. Yeah. And then number 8. Oh, all right. So number 8 got $1. $1.75. Okay. So Yoda one for me. So we can do 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, 50, 75. So I am going to color these in and I'll be right back. Look at how cute that turned out. So this is Yoda one for me, and I'm still not 100% sure who this is. And I thought it might be like Saving with Sam or something, but I'm not sure. I can't quite remember. So, all right, let's go back up to our Too Cute to Pinch, our little dashboard from Brittany over at Budgeting with a Ginger. You can get this on our Ko-fi. And then we need, oh my gosh, we finished 4. All right, so we have 4 and 4 is 8, and 3 and 3 is 6. So 8 and 6 is $14. Okay, so we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's awesome. We probably will not finish any tomorrow, and that's okay. All right, so let's get our $14 and put it in our completed and our 4 challenges that we finished in this envelope. I'm so excited to count my total. In February, we finished 59 of our little minis, and I can't wait to see how many we finish in March. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it. I have so much fun saving with my minis, and I hope you have a great day and a great week. And until next time, take care. Bye.